She didn't need a minko. She didn't need a diamond ring. She didn't need a new kitchen. She didn't need new painting. If she has nothing, she's single. She has only a husband for show and tell. Yes, only okay. Yeah, I have a husband. What husband? A whole day in the phone. My husband, my husband. Because the husband don't have this drop of cycle, drop of brain. You come home, say hello. How was your day? Let's say middle of the day. You are in the middle of the day. Send her a text. Well, it's so hard. It's so hard. Yeah. It's easy for you because you are sitting in yeshiva, you are a boy, and you think in yeshiva, you're talking about Shalabais, please bring me a girl, and bring me a shidduch, and I'm going to text it. Let me see if you could say a text message for your father. No, this is so hard. Oh, it's easy to sit here and be a single person and think, yeah, why does all husbands don't send nice messages for their wife? Yeah, this is so easy. Let me ask you, why you didn't send a text message today? Good morning. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning, Mother. Why is it my mommy? Mom? Why? Why? So, it's easy to hear a drush, to listen to a drush. Yes, I'm going to do it. I'm going to find a shidduch.